How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Snapchat, log into your account. After that, simply tap on your profile icon. Now go to my friends. Now tap on your friend, tap on their profile. So you cannot directly see the mutual friends on Snapchat due to privacy reasons, but instead, what you can do is if somebody sent you a friend request from here, you will be able to see if they have any mutual friends. If they do, if you do have or any mutual friends with them, a rough number will be shown. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.